Dude, your chain is so noisy in the videos. It's insane. I was like, holy shit, I can't even hear half of that when I'm riding. I mean, I can right now, but it's bad. I don't know if they're here. Probably not, since I haven't gotten a message. But this is where they said on Facebook they were gonna meet. Oh, they are here. Sick. I don't know who these guys are. It's like neither one of them. This one's pretty tight. Fucking dumped on its nuts, dude. So we got a Black Lord stretched. I like his seat, dude. It's the same as ours, except it's got like a rubber embroidery on it. Damn, dude, we got so many Groms in the squad. Guys, we just met up with 7 Groms total. We're all going to split and get gas. Guys are going to get their helmets, and then we're all going to ride. Got 7 Groms. Never thought I'd see the day where we're at. Speeding so bad, but I don't really care.
Bro, you wanna fill me up?
You filled me up, bro. I filled you up last time. Fine, whatever. Get over here. You have to pump it though. There you go. Press no and pump. I'm not grabbing it. That was the whole point. Squad.
That's so funny.
Look at this service. Oh look, the other Groms are here. Tight.
I like how that sounds, man. I love the helmet. Those 2 new style icons are nasty looking. Throw it in my backpack.
We just immediately start going down the hill trails. You guys are coming, right? Alright. Now we're off. Everyone's here. She digs, dude. She digs the Groms. Oh. The fuck? Make sure there's room for 7 Groms to go. Alright, we got 7 Groms. Damn. Grom squad. These 2 guys are so stoked. They're like so amped that they fucking found more Groms. Getting comfy. Everyone's getting comfy except for the stretches. Downtown's just gonna be like, what the shit? There's more of these assholes now? 2 of them was bad enough. Locking up their rear brakes and shit. I'm so stoked we have a real Grom squad now. I could tell as soon as I put it on. Whoa, he just like buddy hopped that. That was sick. Oh, your 3 LEDs are out again, bro. I think mine's the loudest.
Yep.
I'm gonna save some of my squeak tire for downtown.
Yeah, I'm so very sick of that road.
It is.
Be obnoxious.
Everyone loves it. Corvette's like, I'm getting the fuck out of here. It don't matter to me. I'm like, every time we stop, I'm putting my foot. No, you're not gonna get me. Every time I stop, I'm like blocking my kickstand with my foot. He wanted to get me right there, but I had it blocked. Now we get to top our shit out, bro.
We're going now.
Oh dear.
Am I gonna run back?
Stupid animal. That's about how close I was to hitting one at 50 miles an hour with the Harley. With the Harley the other day. Jesus! Death trapping back here. Because there's like no one here lately, so the deer are like, holy shit. Oh god, we're locked in!
Oh god, boys, we gotta go through the roadblock! We gotta go around the roadblock. Grab stuff.
Grom squad escaping lockdown. Campus lockdown. Won't stop the Grom squad.
I got everybody. Is everybody with us?
Let's do a count. Head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're good. I can't wait to be obnoxious downtown. And I've got the lead, so I can go in really hot on the stop sign. There's no one here. Oh.
Gotta find a good place to take a Grom shot. We should take him up to the fucking
Parking garage, yeah.
That'll be a place to be obnoxious.
Yeah, well, this lady's like, get these fucking, hey. Easy with that door, bro.
So quiet. He does. My fucking back tire slipped down around that corner.
Time to be real loud.
It's gonna be obnoxious. Big garage, boys.
Damn it.
That's so loud.
Oh shit, he just looped his.
Oh,
Shit. He broke his foot peg.
damn. Pass on. I'm gonna go check on him.
That happens like every time you loop.
I know. I got some new ones coming in.
Go.
One of the guys looped doing a wheelie. You coming up? What? Yeah.
Shit, dog. I got that perfectly on camera.
I really like how.
Alright, we're coming up.
I seen him fucking going. He was going. I'm like, he's gone.
I
mean, it's Grom tradition, dude.
Alright guys, I think that does it for the ride tonight. It's starting to get dark, but we finally met up with a real Grom squad. Just and I are going to do a little bit more riding around town, and I think I'm just going to call the video here because it's getting pretty dark out. But definitely a lot more squad rides to come, so make sure you tune in for the next one. Peace!